What up, YouTube? We up early today. Trying to get a lot done. Get this damn boat out of the way. It's all in my damn driveway. It's pretty clean though. Finally got this thing backed up. Gotta move this shit. It's back, the same spot. This thing's all in the way. Barely can walk out the damn door. But this is back perfect. What up, YouTube? So today it's a real good day. I can say that for sure. But the day is only beginning. We ain't even got nothing really completed yet, but we did sell that bike yesterday, so I know for sure what's guaranteed to happen today, if you know what I mean. I haven't gave up on my detailing. One of my boys custom made like his whole bed, how my dad has his, and he has a top cover with everything laid out from like the vacuum, the power washer, the generator, everything. So I'm trying to get that layout for mine as soon as I can find me a top so I don't have to worry about people stealing or anything. But on another note, I'm gonna get back to this thing real soon. I ain't tripping on this bike though. I've been having a lot of fun, so it's about time I give it a break. But today we are about to hop on this thing. So I need to get all this stuff ready. Ready to go. About to wash this filthy thing, man. thing way better. Super filthy. Good. Finally got the quad on there. My boy just pulled up for a hot sec to help me out. I did not do this by myself. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. We got it on there. So we about to get ready. He said he gonna come back. He'll be off for 30 minutes. He gonna go get his. I'm gonna go get my son. My other boy should pull up with his. I'm gonna see if my brother going and we sliding. Ace.
What?
You ready to ride?
Yeah.
Ready to ride? Ride daddy bike?
Yeah.
Not today.
Okay.
Yeah, not today.
Okay.
My boy pulling up. We about to go turn up today, man. So I just go back up to my crib. My boy, he about to slide with me. He usually have his dirt bike. He don't got no action to it, but it don't even matter because I'm about to be teaching Ace on this new bike we about to get. So he can just pretty much ride the quad like he's been trying to. So it all works out.
Copy, listen.
We just pull it up. Oh, I'm in a whole other lane. We out here at Burt's. Super nice, huh? Man, we out here at Burt's. We about to get my boy this dirt bike. I was gonna leave him at the house, but I want to make sure he can ride in and get on it. I can't wait to get this reaction. All the stuff.
Yeah, I'll go.
Ready?
Yeah.
You ain't ready?
Yeah.
You ain't ready?
Yeah.
Got you a chest pad. Said what? My goggles. Knee pads. Pants. Hey, car. Stop. Shit. Sound fucked up. About to go check out this new bike. We just found us a good bike. Come here, Ace. Come on, dude. What size is that one?
This is a 110.
That's just huge, dude.
Yeah, we just got big tires on it.
Oh, that's why I'm like, it looks super big. That's it, though. What got the training wheels? This one, nice.
I didn't plan on buying nothing, remember?
Man, I'm already, you know, came support me. Frame powder coated. Good. That should sound hella good. Got them for sale. Lit. I got my bike for my son. He happy, bought him his first little 50. It ain't a brand new one, but it's gonna get the job done. It's damn near new. And my boy just went and got the quad from the same guy. He was not planning to buy anything, but he did, and we own, yo. Cool bike, man. I cannot wait to get this thing right. Start right up smooth. Boy done got the quad. It's lit. Going in. I thought we was doing something crazy with the quad and both of the other dirt bikes. This for sure has topped it off.
It's topped it off for real.
It's just sick, man. Man, today is crazy. After all this driving, finally got to relax, got everything done. Didn't go how I wanted, but it still went how I wanted. Didn't get no brand new bike off the lot from my boy, but we still got a good bike in good condition. Runs smooth, clean, and I'm about to make it even more nice for her. Huh, Ace? We're about to slide, huh? Yeah, we got you your own bike now. Yep. You see what's going on. We're about to be cruising though. We done made it. Look how crazy this looks. Hey, we really rode here with the whole wheel sticking out. Dude, look from the back. Look from the back how crazy this looks. For real. Just walk from the back and look how crazy it looks. I'm still happy as fuck we got this dude bike, man.
Crazy as fuck.
Look crazy. I'm glad I got a picture during the day. About to unload this. I like this red.
Huh?
I like the red. Looks so light. Hit the gas. When he was doing it, he was hitting the gas. All of them, we've been going all day. We ain't never went to the dirt. My boy finally got it going. He didn't even plan on buying none. The niggas had a lot of bikes out there. He like, I'm gonna just get it. I'm like, fuck it. Remember he said be easy on it, fool. That motherfucker boy. We just put my bike up, my son bike. In LA, man, if you see any of me with any of my friends, we don't live that far from each other. So I'm about to follow my boy on the squat he just got. I was just about to say, don't cut it off.